Hi guys, and today I found this secret base. It was really hard to find, and I don't know why I have all that. Well, I looked in here before. I looked in the secret base before. I've gotten a few things. But I kind of want to show it to you guys because it was really cool. I had to be on creative because I'm gonna need night vision in here. It is super dark. Okay, now let's go. And you're probably asking, whose secret base is this? This is the Easter Bunny secret base. This, like I was saying, this was really hard to find. But yeah. Oh, what's in this door? Whoa, look. You could just swim out. So if he caught you, he'd probably just swim out to protect himself. Okay, let's go. I found a whole bunch. I'm doing the Easter Bunny one because it's Easter. The next one will be the Grinch, I think. Yeah, the Grinch. Oh, iron. Okay, so let's look. Oh, look at all that. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a secret base under his secret base. I'm going to steal 2 of those. Then, actually, how about just 1 of those? And then 1 of these. Armor! So if we have to fight him, I'll be ready. But he has extra for himself. So I'm not sure. Okay, let's go in here. Gold. Which one's better? 6 armor. Hold on. 5 armor. 3 armor. 2. 1. 6. 5. 2. And 2. I think I'm just going to switch these 2 because it looks better. And I'm going to I'm going to get everything before I put it on. Okay, now I'm going to get some of this. Because if I'm going to make a secret base under, I'm going to make it even more better than this guy's secret base. Okay, so now let's go. Diamonds. 8 armor. 6 armor. I'm going to trade these in. I think I'm just going to trade everything in for this. Okay, now let's put this on. Oh, I guess I already stole some of that. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I guess I already stole. Because I've already been in here. I kind of want to get some of these 64 and then this. But like I was saying, I've been here before, so it wasn't that. So don't think it was really easy to find because I just found it automatically because when you just started watching it. It actually took me a while, and when I saw it, I thought I would make a Minecraft video of it. So fighting stuff. Let's go in here. I've never been in these 2 rooms because there's another room. Enchanted golden apple, a golden apple, and a golden carrot. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna put this, and then I'm gonna get a potion of healing. Then get I'm not gonna get any of those right now. I'm going to go in here. Storage. Oh, look at all that stuff. Oh, and guys, if I don't have time to dig underground to make my secret base, I think that's gonna be okay. So let's look at his bedroom. Look at all the fire charge and lava. I'm gonna steal one of the lava buckets. Is there any lava in here? There's tons of lava. I'm gonna get both of these, and I bet there's fire charge in here. Yep. Food. I bet there's raw too. No, this is actually cooked, but there's nothing in the furnaces. Okay, that's fine. Now I think I'm gonna make it under here. So I'm gonna get some stone so he won't notice that I am making something down here. And with all this stuff I stole, I am probably gonna be able to make my own thing. Even on creative, I'm on creative, I could still make my own thing, but I don't think I will. I think it's just gonna be more cool doing it with stealing it. Like I'm on survival, just I'm not. So I'm gonna use some gold here, some iron here, and then no. I was gonna get that, but I'm like, I actually have all of these instead. So, you know what we should do? Okay, I need a ladder, or I could just fly up. We should make lava in here. We should catch this on fire. Okay. So when he comes back, he's gonna be like, who was in my secret base? He'll never know. Okay, there we go. In there, now let's do something. Oh, no, not in the diamond room. That's okay. We could, I think I'm gonna put, okay, there. Oh no, I'm trapped. I could just fly over it all. Yo. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna break all this. Yeah, I'm just stealing everything. I'm beasting this. Oh no, I put lava. No, I want this. Thank you. Did I get any of it? Oh, no. I had too much stuff in my inventory. No, let's just catch this here on fire. Oh, no. Oh, where did I get that book? I don't know where I got that at. I'm catching this on fire. Did I seriously burn down my secret base? Oh no. The secret base I made underground. I burned it with lava. That stinks. Well, I'm just gonna build one like right down here. I'm gonna switch them. And then there we go. Yeah. Okay, here we go. And I'm almost running. I'm running out of time. I'm not saying I have to stop right now, but I might not finish the secret base. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make a couch or something. Stop. I think I'm gonna make a couch or something. Okay. That was just my sister. She just walked in. I don't know, I forgot. She might have some videos. You could go check those out. If you can't hear what I'm saying, there's gonna be a ton of these. So don't think this is the only one. Please stop. Okay. Brookie, stop. And I'm just gonna. Oh no, my night vision. Where'd I put it? Then the potion of healing. Let's type it in. And not N-I-G-A. Okay, here we go. Night vision. 3 minutes, 8 minutes. There we go. Even though I won't be recording for 8 more minutes, it's still gonna be helpful. Why did I make okay, phew. I thought I was making it the wrong way. No, let's do. I don't know what I should put in here now. Now I think I'm just gonna lock the secret base from. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna check underwater to see if he has any more secret bases. Let's just see. I only have 1 more minute to do this. So, I'm actually gonna fly. I like using night vision so you could see in the water. When you're flying without night vision, it's just dark blue and you can't see anything. Oh look! I don't know if that's a secret base, it's just there's a lot of treasure. And if I don't get to see all this treasure, I will, I guess. I don't know how to do. But it looks like this ship was tipped over. That's kind of cool. Actually, I don't think we're going to be able to get the treasure. I'm just going to say thanks for watching this. And like I said, the next video is going to be a Grinch one. And I'm gonna do more secret bases. See you guys. Oh, and also, if you want to see more secret I'll definitely put more secret bases. But if put in the comments, please put which one you want to see. And also, if you want to see that one, please subscribe. Thank you.